Hello everyone, welcome back. And you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to give you some tips to fix cannot update apps error on iPhone and iPad after the updating of iOS. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's start the tips. Number 1. Launch settings and tap screen time. Now scroll down and tap turn off screen time and tap again turn off screen time in pop-up window. Number 2. Go to settings and tap general. Then tap iPhone storage and make sure that you have enough free space. If you don't have, then offload or delete some apps that are not in use. Number 3. Go to settings, tap on your profile name, scroll down and tap sign out. Now follow the instructions and wait for a couple of minutes and sign in back. Number 4. Go to settings, then tap general and tap software update and update your iPhone if update is available. Number 5. Launch settings and tap general. Now scroll down and tap reset. On reset page, tap on reset network settings, put your iPhone passcode and tap again reset network settings in pop-up window. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.